Fuck you, fuck your family, man. Fuck him up, man.
I've got that on film.
Fuck him up.
I've got that on film.
I'm gonna fuck him up.
He's dirty. Have some respect, man. No more. If it's 9:10.
What about a breaking morning? It's not happening.
Yeah, we've got to get up for breakfast though, but do you know what time we got up for breakfast? Let me just do this. What time is it? 10 to fucking 1, right?
Right, yeah.
So, you've
10
got...
to 1?
Yeah, 8 hours, man. 8 hours.
Yeah, that sounds
until
good, mate.
10 to 9.
Call, yeah?
And that's when we get up, man. Because we up at 20 past 9 and we are gone at 10 past 9, man.
Right,
20 past is shit. 10 past.
10 past 1?
10 past 9.
I'll get a brekkie with you in the morning, yeah?
You're getting a brekkie with us at about 20 to 9.
You better ring me,
goddamn better expect me to wake up in the morning. I'm up. You see this? This is the hand of a fucking sober person.
Right, shake my hand, yeah? Give me some bitch.
Show me. We're on. I didn't catch that. Oh, I'm in.
Did you get that? On camera?
Go one more time.
What I failed to tell you that is if he's still got red eye.
Luke.